One of the most significant advantages of being a celebrity is having access to some of the most desirable automobiles available. From Rolls-Royces to Teslas, almost every A-lister is spotted by frantic paparazzi in their own flashy modes of glamorous transportation. However, you'd be surprised at how many of your favorite celebrities don't know how to drive. After driving with a learner's permit for the majority of her life, Grammy Award-winning singer Lady Gaga finally passed her long-awaited driver's test. She can now legally drive her sleek collection of exotic vehicles around town without another adult in the car as of 2016. In today's videos, we're about to take you through the list of some of the most expensive cars owned by Lady Gaga. Watch till the end of the video to know which is Lady Gaga's most loved car. Before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel Luxury Smart for more amazing videos like this one. So without further ado, let's get started. Lady Gaga has been filling her garage with a variety of highly sought-after cars for years. Check out some of Gaga's favorite rides, ranging from vintage bargains to the most recent releases from top manufacturers. Let's take a look at Rolls-Royce Cornish III. Gaga bought a Rolls-Royce Cornish III 5 years before she got her license, one of two cars from the manufacturer she owns. The singer-songwriter named the car Bloody Mary after a song on her second studio album, Born This Way, because of its ruby red appearance. When you open the blood red door, you're greeted by a luxurious walnut leather interior. This was Gaga's first car, which makes sense considering her early days of dominating New York City nightlife. She was photographed on the Cornish in 2012 on her way to her perfume launch at the Guggenheim. 2 years later, Julian's Auctions is selling her Corniche. According to USA Today, the estimated sale price was $30,000 to $50,000, with the proceeds going to charity. And next we have Lincoln Continental Convertible 1965. While Gaga's car collection includes some of the most recent models on the market, it's clear that she also enjoys older vehicles. The fourth-generation Lincoln Continental was ordered by Ford's management to be the best mass-produced car of its time, and it succeeded. Originally designed for the 1961 Ford Thunderbird by Elwood Engel, who used to design women's shoes, the concept was lifted for Lincoln and extended to 5.5 meters. This was the first post-war American convertible with 4 doors and the first Lincoln with suicide doors since 1951. The power roof, which is stored beneath the electrically operated rear deck, is another eye-catching feature. Gaga most likely spent between $50,000 and $75,000 on this throwback. Moving on to the next car, which is the Ford Mustang 1967. After passing her driving test in 2016, the artist formerly known as Stefani Germanotta purchased an exquisite ivy green Mustang with rally wheels. This vehicle has 335 horsepower and is powered by a 6.4-liter V8 engine. She drove it to the release of her 5th studio album, Joanne. While everyone remembers the Aston Martin DB5 from Goldfinger, few recall Bond girl Tilly Masterson's character driving a first-generation Mustang. Gaga was rumored to be singing on the next 007 title track with Ed Sheeran, but since that didn't happen, she can console herself with this Ford commercial. Another car she got is the Ford Bronco 1967. Miss Germanotta enjoys driving her baby blue Resto Mod Bronco around Malibu. This is currently a highly sought-after classic. Her car is currently on the market for an eye-watering £88,000. It has a 5.0 Cobra HD engine, a Ford C4 automatic transmission with a high-low shifter for 4WD, Willwood brakes, and a killer Kenwood stereo. Play the Beach Boys. When she was taking breaks between filming scenes for A Star Is Born, she shared a car with co-star Bradley Cooper. For her desert set music video for Perfect Illusion, she used a different and even more pumped-up Bronco. The next car is Chevrolet Nova SS 1969. The blue-colored Chevrolet Nova SS is a great American muscle car from Lady Gaga's garage. The SS badge indicates that the Nova is a super sport variant, which means better performance figures. Its standard 5.7-liter V8 engine produces 300 horsepower. It's the first Nova SS model with disc brakes up front. Because of the nature of her unusual and visually provocative work, this is an ideal fit for her. Lady Gaga showed her patriotism by performing the Star-Spangled Banner at President Joe Biden's inauguration in January. We already knew that because she owns this classic American muscle car. It was also available with a 4-speed manual transmission and front disc brakes. She may be one of the world's most innovative musicians, but she appreciates a good throwback. Let's take a look at another car she bought, Ford F-150 SVT Lightning, 1993. Lady Gaga also has a 1993 Ford F-150 Lightning Sports Performance. The SVT in the vehicle's name alludes to Ford's special vehicle team which built it. It is powered by a 5.8-liter V8 engine that produces 240 horsepower and 461 Nm of torque. Gaga was also delayed on this travel due to a technical issue, or maybe he just wanted to look at this wonderful automobile with a lovely singer driving it. Moving on to the next car, Mercedes-Benz W123 300D 1983. The Mercedes-Benz W123 is another famous car of Lady Gaga. It's an absolute classic in the luxury car world. This vehicle is also baby blue, like her Nova SS. It is powered by a 3.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine with 125 horsepower and 245 Nm of torque. The W123 was a massive success for the Stuttgart manufacturer in the late 1970s and early 1980s, with 2.7 million built. Because they were over-engineered and indestructible, many became taxis. Gaga was seen driving the car several times during her meteoric rise to fame. She no longer drives it much these days. On number 8, we have Phantom 8 by Rolls-Royce. It's one thing to have a blazing fast speed and quite another to have a relaxing drive in a luxury vehicle. However, the Rolls-Royce Phantom combines both to create one of the fastest luxury vehicles ever produced. Gaga has 2 of them because, well, why not? The white one has a tan leather interior and black wheels, the other is black and almost stock in appearance. The vehicle was manufactured between 2003 and 2017. It is powered by a 6.75-liter V12 petrol engine with 454 horsepower and 720 Nm of torque. The car can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.9 seconds. It's pretty quick for a car with ultimate luxury. Another car owned by Lady Gaga is Lamborghini Huracan LP610 4 Coupe 2017. Gaga clearly enjoys her classic cars. However, these are only sometimes enough to keep the paparazzi at bay. So she has a few modern cars such as a Porsche Boxster and an Audi R8, but her favorite is a Lamborghini Huracan. She has Italian roots after all. The Huracan is powered by a 5.2-liter V8 engine with a 602 horsepower and 560 Nm of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.5 seconds and has a top speed of 325 km an hour. Lady Gaga got the opportunity to perform in front of millions of people all around the world when she appeared at the Super Bowl halftime show. You didn't watch the singer spill her heart out on stage, but you did see her 3,200-mile round trip from Miami to Houston, which would take a while even with a 201 miles per hour vehicle like this. Time for the 10th car, Audi R8 2012. The Audi R8 GT is another sports car in Gaga's garage. This vehicle is propelled by a 5.2-liter V10 engine, producing 552 horsepower and 540 Nm of torque. It has a top speed of 320 km per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.6 seconds. That's what quickness is all about. Only 333 of these cars were made. Let's move on to the last car for today, the Porsche Boxster 2012. When you earn millions and can afford whatever you want, the word expensive does not come to mind. Wherever Gaga goes, there will be a swarm of paparazzis vying for the perfect shot of the pop star and her newest set of wheels. The Porsche Boxster is another fantastic vehicle on her wish list. In 2017, she was spotted driving this one in Montreal, Canada. While it isn't the most expensive car in Gaga's collection, its pristine all-white interior and top speed of 272 km per hour give off a jet-setting image that is ideal for a superstar like herself. It is powered by a 3.4-liter flat-six engine that produces 276 horsepower and has a top speed of 272 km per hour and a 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration time of 5.4 seconds. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, do make sure to like and subscribe to our channel Luxury Smart. See you in the next one. Goodbye.